Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talks, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Charlie. Hello, Jennifer, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It feels great to be back for another episode.
Yes, it really does. How are you doing today, Charlie?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a big breakfast and, of course, my favorite thing in the morning, coffee. Coffee.
Ha ha ha. Yes. Coffee always makes the day better. I'm doing great too, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Same here. So, Jennifer, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is daily English conversation practice. We'll show you how to practice speaking English naturally every day using real-life situations like ordering coffee, shopping, meeting people, and more.
That's a fantastic topic and super helpful for beginners because the more you speak, the more confident you become. Exactly. But before we jump in, we have one small request. Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button, subscribe to Daily English Talks, and share this episode with a friend who's also learning English.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much. Yellow.
All right, let's start with a simple, everyday situation. Getting coffee.
Perfect. Everyone loves coffee, and it's a great place to practice small talk.
Okay, I'll be the barista and you'll be the customer. Ready?
Let's do it.
Hello. Welcome to Coffee Corner. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have one coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
It's such a sunny day. I'll take an iced coffee, please.
Good choice. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. Would you like milk or sugar with that?
No, thank you, just black.
All right. Anything else? Maybe a cookie or a sandwich?
A cookie sounds nice. Oh, wait. Do you have banana bread?
Let me check. Oh, sorry, we're out of banana bread today.
No problem. I'll just take a chocolate cookie, please.
Perfect. That's one medium iced black coffee and one chocolate cookie. Your total is $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Great, thanks.
Here you are. One iced coffee.
That's me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye. That was a great little practice.
Yes. And the phrases are simple but powerful. Can I have, please?
Would you like?
Here you are. Have a nice day.
Exactly. And remember, words like please and thank you always make a big difference.
All right, let's move to another everyday situation. Shopping.
I love shopping. Let's practice how to buy clothes in English.
Okay, this time I'll work at the shop and you'll be the customer again. Hello. Can I help you today?
Hi, yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Great. The t-shirts are right over here. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
Here's a nice blue one. What do you think?
Oh, that's beautiful. I love the color. What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large.
I'm a medium, please.
Here you go. You can try it on in the fitting room over there.
Thank you. Okay, I tried it. It fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Oh, thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like to pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
All done. Here's your t-shirt in a bag.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. That was another easy and useful situation.
Right. And here are the key phrases to remember.
And I help you?
I'm looking for, can I try it on? How much is it? I'll take it.
These are perfect for real-life shopping in English. Now let's practice something a bit more stressful, asking for directions.
Yes. It can be scary when you're in a new city, but don't worry. People are usually kind and helpful.
Let's do it. I'll be the tourist and you'll be the local. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the train station.
Ah, it's easy. Go straight, then turn left. The station is on your right.
Go straight, turn left, and it's on the right. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
See? It's simple. Just start with, excuse me, then ask your question politely.
Yes. Some good examples are, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Can you help me find, how do I get to?
Exactly. Politeness is key.
Now, let's talk about meeting new people, at a party or in a class.
Ooh, that's a fun one. But yes, it can feel a bit scary at first.
Let's practice. We're at a party, and we don't know each other yet.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. I'm Jennifer. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, the music is great. Do you live nearby?
Not really. I'm visiting from the next town. How about you?
I live here. I'm a writer. What about you?
I'm a teacher. Wow, we both love words then.
Haha, yes, we do. That was easy, right? Just a few friendly questions.
Exactly. Try these. What do you do? Do you live here? What are your hobbies?
Those open the door to great conversations.
Speaking of hobbies, let's practice that next.
Okay. So, Charlie, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I love reading and playing the guitar. What about you?
That's cool. I love listening to music and going hiking.
Hey, we should go hiking together sometime.
That sounds great.
See? Talking about hobbies helps build connections.
Yes, you can say, I like, I enjoy, in my free time, I.
Simple and natural.
Now let's practice making plans with a friend.
Okay, I'll call you. Ring ring.
Hello?
Hey, Jennifer, it's Charlie. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday? Yes, I'm free in the afternoon. Why?
Do you want to go to the park? The weather is beautiful.
That's a great idea. I'd love to.
Awesome. What time is good for you?
How about 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Let's meet at the big clock tower near the park entrance.
Great. See you there on Saturday.
Can't wait. Bye for now.
That was so natural. Here are some great phrases to remember. Are you free on were? Do you want to? What time is good for you? Where should we meet? See you on.
Let's do one last everyday topic. The weather.
Ah, yes, the classic. Everyone loves to talk about the weather.
You can start with something simple like,
It's a beautiful day today. Is
Any-
it? Or, it's so cold today.
yes, or even complain a little. That's normal too. I can't believe this rain.
Haha. True. These small talks are the easiest way to start a conversation with strangers. Okay, we've practiced coffee, shopping, directions, meeting people, hobbies, making plans, and the weather. That's a lot.
Yes, but before we finish, we should practice ending a conversation politely.
Right, we can say, well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you. See you later. Have a great day.
These small phrases make a big difference. They show respect and friendliness.
Wow, Charlie, our time is almost up.
Yes, it is. This was such a fun and useful episode.
We hope everyone listening feels more confident to practice English every day.
Remember, the most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid to speak.
Exactly. A simple hello and a smile is a perfect start.
Thank you all so much for listening to Daily English Talks.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep learning together.
And here's a question for you. Tell us in the comments. Where do you practice your English every day?
We'd love to read your answers. Writing in English is great practice too.
All right, time to say goodbye.
Yes. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Bye for now. And see you in the next episode of Daily English Talks.